Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Jmeter in macOS. In the previous video, guys, we have seen how we can install Jmeter in the macOS from binaries to downloading binaries from their official website. In this video, we are going to see how we can install Jmeter through a command brew. For that, guys, just type brew install Jmeter. It will install all the things which are required for the Jmeter. If you have already installed, it will say Jmeter, the particular version is already installed. You can reinstall the latest version of Jmeter by giving brew reinstall Jmeter. Else, brew install Jmeter will work. So once you have installed Jmeter, try to type Jmeter to launch the Jmeter. Just type Jmeter, enter. So it will start the Jmeter, Apache Jmeter. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.